This tool. This tool is called a wheel span. It's called what?
A wheel span.
Who can tell me the use of a wheel span? Wow, thank you. First and all, to unloose the nut on the tires. If you're putting a tire in the other vehicle, use the what?
A wheel span.
I think everyone has seen a wheel span, okay?
Yes.
Then you have this tool also. Who can tell me the name of this span? So this tool. What? What? You're trying. No, it's not high jump. Who can tell me the name of this tool? Okay, we listen. This is called an adjustable. The adjustable is also used to unloose the nut by adjusting this cuffing here like this. I think everyone is seeing here.
Yes.
And just when you are going to unloose the nut like this, so we call it an adjustable. You use it to unloose the nut also by adjusting this ring like this, okay? Then again you have this tool. You call it maga, that is a gun. Who can tell me the name of magaro in English? Because all of you know it, that it's called magaro. Wow, clap for her. This is called a what?
Plier.
Who can tell me the use of a plier? Wow. Have you had all of you?
Yes. No.
Again, speak. Have you had?
Yes.
We have this cutting also. Wow. It's called a school.
Driver.
A school?
Driver.
Who can tell us the use of a screwdriver? Wow. It's called a screwdriver for tightening or untightening the screw. Okay? Then again you have this tool. This tool is also called the spanner. Who can also tell us the use of this spanner? Because we have different types of spanner. Spanners, there is this one and this one. Who can tell us the use of this one? Good. It's also used for tightening and untightening the nuts, okay?
Yes.
Now we have this one. We tried, but it's not like that. You can tell us the correct answer. Who can tell us the correct answer? A tester? Not a tester. We call it a hijack. Not a car jack. Okay? You can tell me the use of this machine. Hello. are still in the hijack. Who can tell us the issue, okay? Speak louder. Good. Clap for him. This hijack is used for lifting the car in the case of any, like, not accident. In the case your tire has got a puncture or what, use this one. Lift up the car, then use this spanner, remove the nuts so that you can remove the tire. I think everyone knows this car thing. Who can tell us this car thing? The hammer is used for what? Everyone knows that this is the hammer. But who can tell me the use of a hammer? Speak louder. Anytime this boy is going to become like a specialized mechanic. Because he knows each and everything. Speak louder for them so that they can hear. Have you heard?
Yes.
Then you have this one. You can take this two. You can try. It's not a nail. There's no nail that happens. You can tell us this tool. Right? Okay, this tool is called a chisel. It's called what? Chisel. Who can tell me the use of a chisel? Okay, the use of a chisel, in the case you have a nut that has, you have been removing the nut and it has refused, you can use this one and a hammer at the same time, cut that nut, okay? And you remove it, okay? This is the tester. Have you seen the tester? The tester is different from the screwdriver. Are you using them properly? They are different. Who can show me the difference? Good. A tester is different from
A screwdriver.
Then we have these ones. Many of you will feel them. Who can tell me this?
Engine is better than that one.
Is there anyone who knows this coffee?
No.
This is called a diesel filter. It's found on an engine by a car. A diesel filter. Who can tell us the use of a diesel filter? It filters diesel from the tank and engine. Okay? Then there is this one also. Sorry. Lisa?
Oil.
Who can guess? Someone is trying. But he or she is shy. This is called an oil filter. Because you can see it's full of oil. This is a diesel filter. This is an oil
Filter.
You can tell me the use of an oil filter.
Attention, we are going that way.
Okay, that's good. This is an oil filter. This is a diesel filter. Now we are going to go on the car there. I show you parts of an engine where this oil filter is found and this diesel filter is found. Okay?
Yes.
Have you seen? Have you seen? Have you seen? And here, the car does not move. And when you place in the gear, it starts moving. I see.
Join your screen there.
This is the gearing. This is called the hose pipe that brings water from a radiator. Radiator is here. Have you seen it? So this hose pipe brings water from the radiator to the engine in case when it is too hot. Okay? By the time you're at the other side, I shown you diesel filter.
Yes.
Now this is the one that is working.
Yes.
So this car tube you are seeing, fuel comes from the tank. Down there, who knows where the tank is?
Yes.
Down there, down the vehicle. So this car tube brings fuel from the other tank. Then this diesel filter has to filter it before it goes to an engine. Remove all the dirt that are in the fuel before it goes to the engine, okay? Then I show you an oil filter. Now oil filter is down the engine. Which is the one that filters the oil when it's dirty. This is a wait. Don't push the thing. This is called a self, a car self. You cannot start a car without this car thing. This is like it works like how can I tell you? Like a matchbox. When you're going to light the fire, you have to use a matchbox. So this car thing is the one that we use like this one. Then the use of these wires, they are from this battery where the energy is that puts on the other lights.
What's the use of that
Fan, also for cooling an engine. The use of a fan, like the one you have at your home. When you feel a lot of heat, you put on a fan to cool the. Yes, this is the use of a fan. Cool an engine. Okay. Then this is an engine. This is called an injector. After this diesel filter, when the fuel comes into this diesel filter, after being filtered, it goes into an injector. This is called an injector. Then when it is after an injector, it's when it comes into an engine. This filters the diesel or petrol, then it takes into an injector. An injector also again filtrates the smallest things in fuel before it goes into an engine.
you're driving at night, you use this. That's why during daytime, it is very hard to see a car when someone is driving when the headlamps are on, because God gave us natural light. All right? But at night, you can't drive without headlamps. Now, who knows the use of this? What is this? The car? What is the use? To cover not only the engine but all the components that are inside the car, all right? It is very important, okay? From dust, rain, you know, when these components rains on them, the car easily gets spoiled, all right? So this one protects those components, all right? Now, I will show you. What is the use of this? What is this? Wrong answer. Who can try? In the local language, for you, you will call it number plate. But in actual sense, it is called the license plate. So what is the use of the license plate? Perfect identification of the car. You know, there are many cars which look like this. So without a license plate, you can easily go to another person's car and do. You get it? But you can easily identify that this is my car. What is the use of the license plate? Another use. For security. In the case you've knocked down someone, in the case of an accident, your car can easily be identified. In the case the car is stolen. And these days we've got what we call the digital number plates. Do you know those? Yes. They are very new. Those ones are even trackable. Do you know the meaning of the word tracking?
Yes.
Okay, they are even trackable. They can easily see where the car is. Alright? So that is the use of the license plate. Wipers. What is the use of the windscreen wipers? You've not said anything. Perfect. Good answer. When it is raining, the water tends to cover the windscreen. You cannot see clearly, right? Yes. So, for you to see clearly, you switch on the windscreen wipers so that the windscreen clears and you're able to drive safely. All right? They are very, very important. Okay? These ones are called the vents. When the car is running, they allow in air. Which air goes inside to cool the engine? They are called these ones are? Tires. Car tires. What's the use of the car tires? Exactly. All right. Now these ones are tire rims. These ones are called tire rims. Okay. Now who knows what are these? What are these lights called? Who has not said anything? Yes. Back? You've tried. Another one. You've tried. Another one. You've tried. Okay. Who said backlights? This one was nearly to the answer, but they are called the tail. The tail lights. Tail is T-A-I-L. Then lights. Now, these tail lights have components. They are what you call the indicators. Okay? They are all here. They are what we call the reverse lights. This light one. The reverse lights, when the car is in the reverse gear, they will light. At night, they will help you to give light so that you see where you're moving the car in reverse. The second function is also to give signal to the someone behind you that the car is reversing. All right? Now, in these tail lights, there is also what we call the parking lights. All right? The parking lights, who knows the use of the parking lights? Just like you hear the word parking and then lights. You can easily tell, yes. They are used when you parked. This whole screen is called the rear mirror, the rear screen, sorry. The other one is the wind. This one is rear, is R-E-A-R. The rear mirror. Now the rear screen has lines. Do you see these lines? Yes. They are called heater lines. They help to heat this screen when it is raining, so that the screen clears and you're able to see clearly from behind. Okay? These ones are called the car bumpers. The behind bumper. Alright? This whole component is called the bumper. The other one is called the front bumper, that down part. Alright? Now, this one is the boot, where you put luggage. Alright? Okay? Johan, please. Now, you come. What is the use? To give the car direction. Whether you want to turn on the left, you turn it on the left. You see the tires? Which part are they pointing? The left side. When you want to turn on the right, you see? Eh? Okay? Now that's the use of the steering wheel. Alright? Now, these cars have what we call the gear what? The gear levers. The gear lever. Now for the Mercedes Benz, this one is the gear lever, and this one is an automatic car. Alright? Unlike the other ones, our vans, those are manual cars. The manual cars have 3 pedals. The acceleration pedal, the braking pedal, and the clutch. It is normally here. Alright? But for automatic cars, it has only 2. The acceleration and the braking pedals. They're called pedals, right? Okay. So for the automatic, there is, on the gear lever, there is there are those small writings, the R, N, and D. D is for driving, not driving. Driving in front. Then R is driving backwards, reverse. That's the reverse gear. Then N is for neutral. Alright? And then P is for parking. Now, it has another component. Alright? This component. Who knows what is going on there? Indicators, eh? So when you want to turn on the right, this one is the component, the right indicator. When you want to turn on the left indicator. Alright? Yes. Okay. So here it has the radios. This one is called the car dashboard, and this one is called the driving mirror. It helps you to see behind through the rear screen.
Masikani enon katenyo enayaka. Eyase riri pazo etandike. Kolokoli kwadisi masikani reponza meseta wono. Odo kule motoka, ode mekufanga toguse motoka. Tenda we wole motoka, ode mekufanga toguse motoka. Tendo kule motoka, ode mekufanga toguse motoka. Tenda we wole motoka, ode mekufanga toguse motoka. Jisasule kuchiranja pola basigaze kadi ojimale yompola. Ne wakuba telu barusewa kasitatu kaenda masuba kumala. Obulamu bw'okunyole kataka bunyuma, obulamu bw'okunyole nziga. Abakazi bagala nzirusingo kivuga n'obutuza kone kuboneti. Bakukubeyo ne kasereti entinda bateke mu katikini. Sifuteyo kubanjogerera mbutana simba chokaka tyagula motoka. Wesente zo wazigusemwe ettaka ezange nazigusemwe motoka. Genda okule motoka, oleme kufanga toguse motoka. Genda oleme kufanga tovuze motoka emikisa gyavazango bya bumbumbu giwulire bwetokota sabira mukalango ku wikendi kigwera mulungu abakati bakubakuba bulipo nga basaba batwalekeyo mu kidongo engoye tugolola buno obukindo bone batekamu engato z'akakondo ate sigaba bisumuluzo okugikuwa kasali kuvugako atamanyi bulumi bwa motoka yanyiga nga tomwazise motoka genda ogule motoka oleme kufanga toguze motoka genda wewole motoka oleme kufanga toguze motoka genda ogule motoka oleme kufanga toguze motoka genda wewole motoka oleme kufanga toguze motoka genda owoza ku motoka mama pane wakaya nobalwa motoka oba kiki ekiri mu motoka bakazi baffe babasigula olw'emmotoka gisasule ku kiranja mpola basigaze kadi ogimaleyo mpola si papa ogama emmotoka eyo gyompeeyo emmotoka mosikani gula emmotoka oleme kufanga toguze emmotoka sipamani yagula emmotoka kadde nnyasiba mu galazi wava munoolina emmotoka eyo gyompeeyo emmotoka sudirwa oyina emmotoka nzigeyo gyomkolera emmotoka sendogota na mmotoka kimu bibiri njagala mmotoka munjazike ku mmotoka mwematira abalina emmotoka mumpanga ku mmotoka nenyumirwa obulamu bw'emmotoka bwe buliso mpanga ku mmotoka emmotoka genda ogula emmotoka oleme kufanga toguze emmotoka